doing a DIY hack of the Ikea Marius Stool, I believe it's called. The version I have is slightly older. I think I bought it probably about 10 years ago, so I don't think they sell that one anymore, but they do a very similar version now. I will link it down below. You can do this DIY for under £10, which is amazing. The stool is currently going for £4 on the Ikea website, so such a bargain. And the cushion that I bought, I actually bought this from therange. It cost me £7.99, and it's this gorgeous white Mongolian fur, faux fur obviously, cushion, and it is just so soft. It's completely up to yourself. I mean, you can use, you know, any colour. You can use white, black, pink, grey, whatever you want basically. I just thought the white looked really nice. I'm going to be doing a nice gold shimmery spray paint on the legs, and I thought that the white would look really nice against the gold. So without boring you too much with my chat, let's just get started. Okay guys, so this is my stool before the DIY. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really grubby on top. It's definitely in need of some TLC. So what I plan on doing is putting the cushion, the white fluffy cushion, on top, and then I'm going to spray paint the silver legs to a nice gold colour. So I'm really hoping this turns out well, so fingers crossed, and let's get started. So this is the spray paint that I'm going to be using. It's just the Universal Metallic All Surface Paint in pure gold. It looks like this can be used on metal, masonry, plastic or wood. I'm pretty sure you can find this at any sort of hardware store or even online such as Amazon, but I will try and put links for everything that I've used below. Okay, so now for the fun bit, I'm just going to start spraying the legs gold. I just put down an old bed sheet in the garden because this can be quite messy and I don't want to turn my whole garden gold. And here are my lovely fluffy slippers making an appearance, even though it's about 100 degrees outside right now, but I am loving this weather. Try not to hold the can too close because you don't want the colour to all run. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it on for about 2 hours, come back and check on it, and hopefully it should be dry. I'm just going to figure out where I need to make the holes so I can screw the legs back on, and that is us pretty much done. So please like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more, and if you comment below and let me know if you're going to try out this IKEA hack. I would love to know how you got on, and I will speak to you soon. Bye!